Imagine this: a tech startup struggling to stay alive, barely scraping together enough to pay its employees. Fast forward a decade, and this same company owns over 70% of a multi-billion-dollar industry. This is the story of DJI, a company that started from nothing, almost failed, and went on to dominate the skies. How did they achieve the impossible? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. DJI, or DJI Innovations, is a name synonymous with drones. Whether it's a travel vlogger soaring over pristine beaches or a Hollywood blockbuster capturing impossible angles, DJI's drones have become the tool of choice. With a jaw-dropping 76% market share, the company is leagues ahead of its competitors. But behind this dominance lies a little-known story of struggle, persistence, and innovation. Founded in 2006 by Frank Wang, DJI started as a passion project in a university dorm room. Back then, the world wasn't ready for consumer drones. They were seen as unreliable, expensive, and niche products. Frank Wang wasn't discouraged. He believed drones could be tools for professionals and creatives alike. But the road to success was anything but smooth. The company faced financial ruin, product failures, and a market that didn't yet exist. Yet somehow, DJI didn't just survive, it thrived. This is the story of how a small Shenzhen startup rewrote the rules of an entire industry. But did you know DJI was once just months away from total collapse? Let's uncover how they turned things around. In the mid-2000s, drones were far from the sleek, efficient machines we see today. Most were bulky, unreliable, and difficult to control. Frank Wang, a young engineering dropout, saw an opportunity to change that. His goal was to create flight controllers that would make drones more stable and user-friendly. He started DJI with just 2 employees in a small rented apartment in Shenzhen, China. But creating a revolutionary product was easier said than done. Early prototypes were riddled with issues, from instability to software glitches. Meanwhile, the company was burning through its limited funds. By 2009, DJI was on the verge of collapse. Investors were skeptical about the viability of consumer drones, and Frank Wang had to ask his family for money just to pay his team's salaries. Despite the mounting challenges, Wang didn't give up. He believed in his vision and doubled down on research and development. In 2010, DJI introduced the NASA flight controller, a device that was more stable and affordable than anything else on the market. It gained traction among hobbyists, giving the company a glimmer of hope. Yet financial troubles persisted. It wasn't until 2011 that DJI caught a lucky break. A family friend invested $90,000 in the company. It wasn't a fortune, but it was enough to buy time for Wang and his team to work on their next big idea. What was this big idea that changed everything? It wasn't just a product, it was a revolution. The turning point came in 2013 with the launch of the Phantom 1, DJI's first consumer-ready drone. Unlike its competitors, the Phantom was easy to use and didn't require any technical expertise to operate. It was ready to fly right out of the box, a game-changer for the industry. For the first time, drones were accessible to everyday users. The Phantom wasn't just a product, it was a revolution. Equipped with a mount for GoPro cameras, it allowed creators to capture stunning aerial footage that was previously impossible without renting a helicopter. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube were booming, and the demand for unique content skyrocketed. The Phantom became an instant hit among creators, filmmakers, and even small businesses. But DJI wasn't done innovating. In 2014, they released the Phantom 2 Vision, which featured an integrated camera and groundbreaking features like GPS stabilization and return-to-home functionality. This model cemented DJI's reputation as the leader in drone technology. A key factor in DJI's success was its decision to vertically integrate its operations. Unlike competitors' outsourced manufacturing, DJI controlled every aspect of production, from hardware to software. This allowed them to iterate faster, reduce costs, and maintain a higher standard of quality. By the end of 2014, DJI's revenue had skyrocketed to $500 million, up from just $5 million 3 years earlier. The company had officially arrived. But how did DJI keep innovating at such a rapid pace? The answer lies in a game-changing design that fit in the palm of your hand. Following the success of the Phantom series, DJI continued to innovate at a breakneck pace. In 2016, they launched the Mavic Pro, a foldable drone that revolutionized portability. It was small enough to fit in a backpack, yet powerful enough to shoot stunning 4,000 video. The Mavic Pro was a hit, appealing to both professionals and hobbyists. DJI also expanded into new markets. In agriculture, they introduced the Agras MG1 drone designed for crop spraying. In construction and industrial applications, the Matris 200 series became the go-to tool for inspections and surveys. Even law enforcement and emergency services began using DJI drones for search and rescue operations. The company's marketing strategy was equally impressive. DJI partnered with influencers and filmmakers to showcase the creative potential of their drones. From National Geographic documentaries to Hollywood movies like Skyfall, DJI drones became the gold standard for aerial cinematography. Meanwhile, competitors struggled to keep up. Companies like GoPro and 3D Robotics tried to enter the drone market, but couldn't match DJI's innovation or price points. By 2017, DJI had effectively cornered the market, forcing many rivals to exit the industry altogether. As DJI soared to new heights, its rivals fell one by one. But what's next for this trailblazing company? Today, DJI is more than just a drone manufacturer, it's a symbol of innovation and creativity. The company's drones are used in over 100 countries, from capturing breathtaking travel videos to aiding humanitarian efforts in disaster-stricken areas. Models like the Mini 3 Pro and Air to Seconds continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, offering features like AI tracking, 4K HDR video, and obstacle avoidance. DJI's annual revenue now exceeds $3 billion, and its influence spans industries ranging from filmmaking to agriculture. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of DJI's story is how it all started from a small team in a cramped apartment to a global powerhouse. As we look to the future, DJI shows no signs of slowing down. The company is investing heavily in autonomous drones, AI technology, and even delivery services. With advancements in machine learning and battery efficiency, the next decade promises even more innovation. But DJI's journey isn't just about technology. It's a testament to perseverance, vision, and the willingness to take risks. They didn't just build a company, they transformed an industry and changed the way we see the world. What do you think about DJI's incredible journey? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious about what drone technology is trending now, check out this video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories that inspire and inform. See you in the next one.